In this video, I'm going to share with you 14 code to get super cheap data from MTN. Some of this code you can get 1 GB of data for as low as 150 and below 150. So if you have been looking for ways on how to get it at the very cheaper rate, this is the best video you ever come across on the internet today. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will not miss out on any of this code to get it at the very cheaper rate. So let's dive straight into it. The number one code to get it at the very cheaper rate from MTN is *121#. So that's *121#. Then that number 2, which is data for me. So you have two options that is available. The first option, with 300 I can get 1.5 GB of data, and this data will be valid for 7 days. Then the second option, with 500 I can get 3 GB of data. So the one that I mostly go for is the first one, which is 1.5 GB data for just 300 naira. The number 2 code to get at very cheap from MTN is *312*87#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You will be charged 15 naira for the purchase of 200 MB plus 250 MB 14 days plan. With 15 I can get 450 MB, and this will be valid for 14 days. So this is another good code to get cheap data from MTN. The number 3 code to get it at a very cheap price from MTN is *312*65*2#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB. So with 200 naira I can get 1 GB of data. This will be valid for 7 days, which is 1 week. The number 4 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *312*65*4#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 500 naira for the purchase of 2 GB bi-weekly data bundle, valid for 14 days. The number 5 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *406*3#. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. Enjoy post-night live browsing from 11 PM to 6 AM. Follow use policy of 3 GB apply. So this data is for people that normally do a lot of work in the night. With 75 naira can get 500 MB and can do up to 3 GB of data that can use to do your browsing during the night. The number 6 code to get cheap data from MTN is *312*3*4#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. This code is for TikTok. So if you want to do a data subscription that can use to log into your TikTok, you can use this option to do your data subscription from MTN. And we have two options. The first option, with 15 naira I can get 150 MB to be valid for 1 day. The second option, with 400 naira I can get 3 GB of data to be valid for 7 days. So I mostly go for the second option, which is 400 naira for 3 GB of data. The number 7 code to get cheap data from MTN is *312*88#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. You'll be charged 200 naira for the purchase of 1 GB plus 500 MB monthly plan. So with 200 I can get 1.5 GB of data, and this will be valid for 1 month. So this is another good option to get cheap monthly data plan from MTN. If you have gotten value so far from this video, please do me a favor, like this video and subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. Also help me to share this video. So let's continue. The number 8 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *121*6*1#. *121*6*1#. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With 1000 I can get 4.5 GB of data, and this will be valid for 1 month. So this is another good option to get cheap data from MTN. The number 9 code to get it at the very cheap price from MTN is *344#. So that's *344#. Then that number 7, which is buffet bundle. So this data is for YouTube, and it's for hourly data plan. So if you want to do something within 12 hours or 4 hours from YouTube, you can use this option to do your data subscription that can also log into your YouTube and do any activities on YouTube within those hours. So we have 12 hours and we have 4 hours. For the 12 hours, you dial number 1 to get access to it. So for the 12 hours, you're going to pay just 600 naira to get access to the 12 hours. Then for the 4 hours, you dial number 2 to get access to it. For the 4 hours, you're going to pay just 250 naira to get access to browse on YouTube and do any activities on YouTube for just 250. Number 10 code to get it as a very cheap from MTN is *121 *6 *2 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. With one file, I can get 7 GB of data. So this is another good option to get cheap data from MTN. Number 11 code to get it as a very cheap from MTN is *121 *6 *3 hash. *121 *6 *3 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. We have 3 options that are available with this code. The first option, with 20,000 I can get 90 GB of data. The second option, with 2,500 I can get 12 GB of data. The third option, with 3,000 I can get 14 GB of data. The number 12 code to get it at the very cheap from MTN is *121 *6 *4 hash. *121 *6 *4 hash. So let's dial it and see what you can get with this code. With 8,000 I can get 39 GB of data, and this data will last you for 1 month. So this is another good option to get cheap monthly data plan from MTN. Number 13 code to get it at the very cheap from MTN is *312 *1 *5 hash. *312 *1 *5 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. This code is called 2 months plus plan. So this is for heavy data users. So if you normally use data to run your daily activities or to run your business, you can use this option to do your data subscription from MTN. The first option here, with 25,000 you can get 90 GB of data, and this data will be valid for 60 days, that is 2 months. The second option, with 40,000 you can get 150 GB of data, it will be valid for 60 days, that is 3 months. The third option, with 90,000 you can get 480 GB of data, to be valid for 90 days, that is 3 months. The fourth option, with 125,000 can get 800 GB of data, to be valid for 365 days, that is 1 year. So if you want to do a data plan that will last you for 90 days, 60 days or 1 year, you can use another option to do your data subscription from MTN. The number 14 code to get a very cheap from MTN is *312 *1 hash. *312 *1 hash. So let's dial it and see what we can get with this code. So you dial number 7, broadband. So this is for people that are using broadband bundle. We have a different option here. If you are using it for the first time, then you dial number 1 to link your broadband. Then if you want to recharge your broadband, you dial number 2 to recharge your broadband device. If you want to check your balance, you dial number 3. If you want to view an unlinked device, you dial number 4. So there you have it. These are the 14 code to get at the very cheap from MTN, and this code will help you to save because the purchase of data. If you got value from this video, do have to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification, so that anytime I upload videos like this, you'll be the first person to get notification. Also share this video so that others get access to this video. If you want to get access to other code to get at the very cheap from other network like Airtel, Glo, and 9 Mobile, I've also done similar video to get that very cheap from them. So you can watch the video that is showing next on your screen, or you can check the description of this video. So I will see you in my next video. Bye.